Hi everyone, my name is Taufik, design engineer at Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through two products and also will be giving a brief introduction on how the product works and what is it actually. Hello everyone, today I will be giving you a brief introduction on the PIEZO buzzer speaker, which is a PC mount 12mm. So before that, I'll be telling you what is a piezo buzzer. A piezo buzzer is an electronic device commonly used to produce sound. It is lightweight, simple construction and low price. And its application includes like call bells, computers, or it can be also used for cars, for reverse indicators, or it can be used for any simple music. The phenomena that works for a piezo is that an electrical signal is produced when a mechanical pressure is applied to certain materials and vice versa. So this piezo buzzer is a small 12mm round speaker that operates around the audible 12 kHz range. Each speaker is a plated through hole, solderable, and its operating voltage is 3.5 to 5 voltage and mean current is 35 milliamps maximum, and the typical sound output is 95 decibels and minimum it should be 85 decibels, and the coil resistance is 42 plus minus 6.3 ohms, and it weighs very less, just 1.4 grams. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com. Thank you.